This tool builds your app in 30 seconds with Mocha AI. What if I told you you can build a full app in under 30 seconds? Pause. No coding, no templates. Just one prompt. Not 10 minutes, not 1 hour. I mean seconds. And yes, it actually works. This is Mocha AI, an AI-powered no-code app builder. It turns simple text into a fully working app. You literally describe your idea, and it builds the entire system. It builds the front-end, back-end, database, and even login systems automatically. But what makes Mocha different from every other no-code tool out there? Most no-code tools give you templates. Mocha does something different. It generates real custom apps, not just mock-ups. Everything is built in. Database, authentication, hosting. You can actually deploy them instantly. You don't need to connect anything. Let's test it. I'm going to build a simple app from scratch in seconds. You just type what you want, like create a calorie tracker app for me, and hit generate. Visual loading. And just like that, it starts building everything. Now, let's look at the final result. If you want to try Mocha AI yourself, I've made it super easy. Just check the first link in the description. That's my special link to get started. Click it, create your account, and you can start building your own app immediately. And if you use my link, it also supports the channel, so I can keep testing more powerful AI tools like this for you. So you might be wondering, who exactly can use Mocha AI? Well, this AI tool is perfect for beginners, creators, and entrepreneurs who want to launch fast. But if you're building a super complex enterprise app, you might still need some other advanced tools. Here's what's crazy. It builds your backend logic, sets up your database, and even handles user login automatically. You can also edit everything in real time, just by typing changes. Let's explore what you can build and what my honest take is on this tool. You can build SaaS tools, dashboards, booking systems, even full business apps, and you don't need to write a single line of code. But let's be real, it's not perfect. For complex apps, you'll still need to tweak things. But for speed, prototyping, and launching ideas, this is insane. This changes everything. You don't need developers to start anymore. If you have an idea, you can build it today. Here are some of the mistakes to avoid while using Mocha AI. Quick tip: while using Mocha, don't just type something vague like "build an app." The more specific your prompt, the better your results. So you should always think about the features, layout, and purpose of the app. If you want more tools like this that save you time and make you money, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it. I test the best AI tools so you don't waste your time. Next, you should watch this video where I tested an AI that turns one video into 10 viral clips instantly. Trust me, it's crazy.